Hi, Toma. What's that? What do you have? It's your applesauce. Do you want me to open it? What is that plain face? What is that plain face, huh? You want to eat? Toma. Eat. Toma, eat. Eat more? Yes, thank you. Mama's gonna feed you. Okay, Mama, we'll open it for you. You're staring at applesauce. Applesauce is good for you, huh? It's a good applesauce, see? Mama's opened it. She's staring at it. More? Okay, I'll give you some. More? Toma. More? Eat more? Yeah, more. Good. More? Toma. Yeah. More. More. Does that mean keep feeding me? Ooh. All done? No more? Okay. Well, do you want to say bye-bye now? Good job. Say, I see you later. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye.